In this scenario, Miss Lucille is sitting on a veranda in a rocking chair while she has a pot of fries cooking. Oh yes, Lord, what a lovely afternoon. Sun is setting now. The breeze feel cool out here, man. I must come out here, come sit down more often and just fat me eye because some of the things that we are gone. I'm considering sitting on a friend anyway because remember the last time I got Miss Carbolic, that was a situation with that little picnic with me called, you know, my little namesake. Let me go introduce the lady and I pay carousel with that. Anyway, what you gonna do? Now me have to sit down here and just look out. You see who that I come down the road. A master. You know where I go with that the long bag over his shoulder. Master, how you do? Be alright, you know. Give me something out of the bag, then, now. You want to see nothing around, you know. Maybe next week, you hear me? Alright. You see him there in teeth, you see? But him I go out town, go sell things. All him do I go down there. What if for the people them same thing? Me I say now the one thing down there. So me here. Can't say I would tell me, but I saw me here. A Jackie this I come up the street. Not Jackie that. It look like Jackie. Yes, a Jackie because she always have a little brown cap there. It look like a the one cap she have. But I want that in front of her a big old stomach. Why is a pregnant Jackie pregnant again? You know not tell nobody you know, but me here say the last time Jackie did pregnant. And Jackie I'm only 13 now and a second baby she go up and you know. The last time when she did pregnant, her mother carried her for an abortion and guess what? It looked like it never worked out the way they did plan it. And they did not know and come home 3 months later. Only if you find out that the little girl is still pregnant. Now she gone on number 2. These little young people them disgracefully man. You see them come up and you have all the hope and the bright future and things that you're looking forward. But them just disappoint you. Right. Then you do this I walk behind her. Be cluck. You do that. I did Miss Nadine she you know. What is this? Yeah, we're next to nothing in a broad daylight. You never not even underwear. You can't see right through the little piece of skirt with the split at the back. Who that a call me? Take the phone ring here. Who that a call me now?
From Big Daddy.
Hello? Me can't talk to you now, I'm on the veranda. You have to go call me back. Yes, as I was saying, right now the middle of my conversation, phone all a ring and all them thing, the chop. Yeah, so the Nadine, she now, she's a open prostitute, you know, prostitute to the highest. She take people's husband, she take the money when nobody no want, she take everybody and everything. She's another one I did have all the hopes for. Gone down the drain, like a bucket of water. Sophia now, Sophia will live across from me every evening. Me sit down out here, so me see she come out of the yard. Speak of the devil, no she that. Speak of the devil, no she that a come out. And where she dress up a go now? Where she dress up a go? You see her there deportee, you know. Me see she did the America go out with all kind of things. She did the America go on all kind of things, and sell weed and all kind of things. Them lock her up, them take her out of jail and all this thing. Then them send her to Jamaica. Now she come and go on like she bossy, like you know. Every time she see me, she say, "Hi Miss Christine, how are you today?" Yeah, that me here. I said, so me said to her one day, so when you're going back up foreign, here I know. Oh, I'm gonna be here for a little while, you know. It's too cold over there. I said, yes, right. Me know so them deport you come hear the whole bill. Me get the whole bill on the receipt already. Me get the bill on the receipt. Oh yeah, I want this to come up the street, Eckle and Jekyll. That there I am by that. She what it asked me the last time. For pick me must mind, pick me and mine, pick me. As she and Delroy this to come up. You see the Delroy him? It is nothing but a wife beater. Every day you as soon as morning light, morning or night, it don't matter what time. I hear boom 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 thing a tumble on all kind of stuff, then knock this, that, all kind of stuff. The two of them a fight. Next thing you know, she come out the next day, she have on hat, she have on a big old dark glasses, you can't even see her right. And them is like 2 peas in a pod when you see them on the street, you would have never know where gone. But me know. Because them live close enough with me, hear all the ramblings and the rattling. And sometimes when me hear the sound, me have to come out and look out and really look. You know what I mean? At the night, me I look and I peep over the fence to see where I go on. And me hear she a scream, "Ah! They're right, I'm screaming, but if she stand there. You know, me say, so chill this. So chill, how you do? You ask me not too bad, you know. Me say, come out of the hospital, man. Yes, man. Me come out of the hospital, you know, but you know, me I try to take it easy, you know. Tell her to Miss Carbolic for me here. Will do, man, will do, alright. You see him? One time he did a try to talk to me, you know. But me never tell Miss Catholic nothing. Then suppose me did tell her that. From the last time she run me to her, suppose me did tell her that. I wish she'd have the wrong me now with a machete and chop me up. So poor me if you tell her that. I look on them with a big old glass of lemonade and me my drink. And I walk on the street I eat. Christ. I am sweet stuff and all them sitting there. You know supposed that I mess with them there's something there now. Catch your man stop about suck. Kiss me neck like man go back in them childhood days man. Stop all about 50 cents suck. You look like you look I used to put that lemonade. Anyway. How would that there? I been oh, the fun little bim. Grow up now. You know have a thing but you would have never know. You know have a thing but you would never know. Because she hold her head up high. One thing me have to say. Remember them used to sing a song when she used to go around the street. Them used to say, "Bim kill him, rushing at the corner." But she looking good now. And then this Miss Crispy come down the street and I look like a Friday evening prayer meeting. She's nothing more than what they call a church tramp. You see her there? Every Friday evening when they have the Bible class or whatever they have over the church, they come, me don't go over them church no more, you know. One time they chase me to the church, say me a cause confusion and corruption in the church. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that? Me a cause confusion and contention in the church. Then me don't go to them church no more, make them stay there. Them now get my offering, I tell you, that much I'm tithes. First I'm going to take it and buy some color, make some breakfast with some hard bread. But I get her every night when they have the prayer meeting. Every night when they have the prayer meeting, she don't do nothing more than go with a different church brother. You see her walk every night she have a different escort and dress like a puss back foot. Nobody can dress like she. So I want to know where she get that kind of money because me here say all she do I go around the corner she sell 2 little biscuits and I want somebody's store. So I want to know how she get money to buy all of that stuff. Anyway, what can I say? The neighborhood. What is that sound? But anyway, Lord Jesus. What a smell there. What is that smell? Oh Jesus, it look like the rice are burn up. Why the rice are burn up and that's all me have tonight to eat and the little rice look like it are burn up. Why Jesus, Lord. Why? Watch it smoke. Smoke. Why the rice are burn up? Jesus, the rice are burn up. Oh Jimmy. How the smoke alarm look like it feel. I thought if it go off. Christ. Lord. Let me run go see me can call 911. Somebody, wait, my phone. Alright. And me sit down here talk all kind of foolishness and my food are burn up. Oh Jesus, I'm not nothing tonight. Dear God. God, make you do me this. Oh, make you do me this, man.